The amazing cooking show.
Yay! Sue! This week's show we will be making pasta.
And of course, we need ingredients.
We need spaghetti, tomato, cheese, mushroom, salt, pepper.
Beef, onion, bacon, and carrots.
Let's start!
First, we boil water, then we add them to the pasta.
Then we cut the tomato with the knife for the sauce, and then we grind the cheese.
We cut up mushrooms. And some onion and carrots.
Then we chop up some bacon.
Chop. Huh? Then mix it together.
We cut up the beef and make them into meatballs.
We join the meatballs into both ends of bacon.
Then we pour it onto a plate and the sauce, then add meatballs.
Then we are done.
Yay! Ooh!
And this is the result of the spaghetti. And the bell ring was just the
Bye bye.